Hello students, so after a long time I'm back on YouTube, and this time I have come up with a beautiful concept, that is Grashoff law. This law is in fact very simple, and we have studied in our 9th 10th class a simple rule of triangle law, and that is applicable here. Let us take a 4-bar chain. This is a 4-bar chain. Now let us assume that this to be link A, link B, link C and link D. Now if you just observe the white link, just focus on white link. I repeat, just focus on white link. Now just imagine, what is this? It is completely rotating. You just see this white link is completely rotating. Observe clearly, this white link is completely rotating. Can you see? Can you see? This is completely rotating. So if you want one of the links in a 4-bar chain to rotate completely, what are the conditions required? Let's do one thing. During the course of its motion, complete rotation, let us track some paths. Please observe here. This is one path. This is another path. This is the third path. And this is the fourth path. And finally it is back. So my dear students, when this white link is making complete rotation, it is making 4 triangles. One triangle, just observe one triangle. Second triangle, you just see second triangle. Third triangle. And this is fourth triangle. And back fifth. So I want to track all these 4 triangles, and let me show. This is one such position. Let me show very clearly. This is one such position. This is A, link A. This is link B. This is link C. And this is link D. Okay. Now, let us track one more position. This is first position. Let us track one more position. Observe here. This is one more triangle. If you observe clearly, this is one more triangle. So let me take this triangle and show you very clearly. This is one more triangle. That is, this is A, this is D, then we have B, and we have C. Let me repeat, my dear students. This is one position. Please observe, this is first position. This is the second one. And third one. If you see the third one, the 2 links are, these two A and B are overlapping. They are overlapping. So I am showing you very clearly. So observe here. So B is the link and A is the link, and A is overlapping. A is over B. So if you see clearly, if this is B and this is A, if it overlaps, what is this length? So I repeat, sirs. This is A and this is B. This is B. If it overlaps, what will be this distance? This will be, this B is more and A is less. So it will be B minus A. So the triangle formed is B minus A, C and D. So therefore, one more triangle is, let me show you very clearly. This is B minus A. Then we have C and then we have D. Great. And let's see the next position. Next position, this is the next position. This is the next, one more triangle. If you observe here, one more triangle. So now D, A and D are overlapping. So observe here, A and D are overlapping. Please understand clearly. So I will write this as D. This total length is D. This total length is D. And A is here. So what will be this length? This total length is D and this is A. So what will be this length? It will be D minus A. So the triangle formed is, now I'll show you very clearly. It is D minus A. Very good. And then it is B. And then it is C. It means, observe clearly, when white link is rotating completely, during its motion, I found 4 triangles. So if it is rotating completely, I tracked 4 triangles. So now you know the simple rule that you have studied in your 9th 10th class. What is the simple rule of triangle? The sum of any 2 sides is always greater than the other remaining side. For example, if this is one side, now what is this side? Can I write this as B plus A? Definitely I can write it as B plus A. So according to the triangle principle, if the triangle is to be found, the sum of any two sides should be greater than the other side. So that is simple principle. So देखो एक बार, C plus D, this is one side, this is another side. The sum of these two sides should be greater than the other side, that is B plus A. यहाँ से come to this triangle, come to this triangle. This total length is D plus A. So A plus, and the sum of two sides, that is B plus C. The sum of two sides, that is B plus C. देखो, B plus C, the sum of two sides should be greater than other two sides. So other side, sum of two sides should be greater than other side, that is A plus D. Very good. From here, now the sum of two sides, I repeat, this plus this should be greater than this, or let me write. So this plus this should be greater than C, or this plus this should be greater than this. Anything I can write. Ab dekho. Now, if I write very clearly, dear students, understand carefully. This plus this, for example, D minus A plus B, that is the sum of two sides. Sum of two sides should be greater than the other side. I can also write this side plus this side should be greater than the other side. So C plus D minus A. C plus D minus A should be greater than the other side. Wonderful, my dear students. So from this triangle, I can write this plus this, sum of these two sides should be greater than the other side. That is B minus A plus D should be greater than, sum of two sides greater than C. Or I can also write the sum of these two sides, that is B minus A plus this side should be greater than the other side. B minus A plus C should be greater than other side. Wonderful, my dear students. Now what we do is, now let me erase this, and I will obtain all conditions. This is the first one, that is C plus D is greater than B plus A. The second one is B plus C is greater than A plus D. Very good. Now ek kaam karo. Now you take A to that side. So therefore D plus B, you take A to that side should be greater than A plus C. Already I wrote this condition. Now here we have, let me erase this. Now we have C plus D is greater than, you bring A to this side, A plus B. This is also over. Now you take A to that side, that is B plus D must be greater than A plus C. Wonderful, sirs. And ye bhi ho gaya. Now let's take this. B plus C, take A to that side is greater than A plus D. So now observe. Let us see some distinct conditions. There are some same conditions. Ek second dekho. C plus D is greater than A plus B. Are these two same? Yes, they are same. So let me put these two as one only. C plus D is greater than B plus A. Now you see, B plus C is greater than A plus D. B plus C is greater than A plus D. Wonderful. And one more thing, you see this one, D plus B is greater than A plus C. And these are the three distinct conditions obtained when one of the links is rotating completely. Observe here. So dear students, this is the white link. So if you want the white link to rotate completely, we have tracked 4 triangles. From those 4 triangles, we got this condition. So A is the length of this link, B is the length of this link, and C is the length of this link, and D is the length of this link. Wonderful, my dear students. Now observe. Let's see the beauty here. Now have a look at this. Look at carefully. Now what we do is, my dear students, ek kaam karo. Let us take this as 1, this as 2, and this as 3. Let us add 1 and 2. So what do I get? C plus D plus B plus C. I am adding these two. So C plus D plus B plus C is greater than B plus A plus D. We are adding left side, and that is greater than this side. Ab dekho. क्या कर सकते सर? I think what can I do? Look at carefully. I think I can cancel DD. Correct. Anything to be cancelled? BB can be cancelled. Yes. Now we are left with 2C. C plus D is 2C is greater than A plus A is 2A. Means, can I write C greater than A or A is less than C? Absolutely. So please focus on this white link. My white link is A. So I got the condition A less than C. Iska matlab, this length of this link is less than C. I got this condition when I added 1 and 2. Now let us add 2 and 3. If I add 2 and 3, B plus C is greater than A. You add these two, 2 and 3. You add 2 and 3. So you get B plus C plus D plus B, yes, is greater than A plus D plus A plus C. Look at. Now, observe clearly. क्या कैंसिल कर सकते सर? I think D can be cancelled. I think C can be cancelled. B plus B is 2B greater than A plus A is 2A. So therefore B greater than A. What does it mean? When B is greater than A is less than B. I got A as less than B when I added 2 and 3. So already when I added 1, 2, I got this. When I added 2, 3, I got this. Now let us add 1 and 3. Let us add 1 and 3, dear students. If I add 1 and 3, what do I get? If I add 1 and 3, so C plus D plus D plus B, I have added these two, greater than 1 and 3, B plus A plus C. एक second रुको. I think B can be cancelled, C can be cancelled, D plus D is 2D greater than A plus A is 2A, or D greater than A, or this can be written as A less than D. So I got one more condition, A less than D. Oh my God. So if you focus on, dear students, if you focus on this completely rotatable link, isko dekho, look at, if you focus on this completely rotatable link, I obtained 4 triangles. From 4 triangles, I got these conditions. What is your observation? Dekho, A is less than B. Yes. A is less than B. A is less than C. B, A is less than C. All this. Matlab, out of 4 links, which link is rotating? Shortest link. A is less. It means if you want one link to rotate completely, it is the shortest link. Wonderful, my dear friend. So if you see, see completely. If you saw A rotating completely, when A is rotating completely, देखो completely 360 degree, when A is rotating completely, I tracked 4 triangles. From 4 triangles, I got this condition. Means I got A less than B, A less than C, A less than D. Means A is the shortest link. So therefore, the rotatable link is the shortest link. Now, कुछ और beauty देखेंगे. Now we'll see something more beautiful, my dear students. Observe here. Now, we got conditions. What were those conditions? If you see conditions, now observe clearly. The shortest link is rotating. I got A plus B less than B plus, whatever 3 conditions I gave, A plus B is less than C plus D. The other is A plus C less than B plus D. The third condition that I got was A plus D less than, already I gave you all the 3 conditions. The 3 conditions are B plus C. These were the 3 conditions. From these conditions only I could get A less than B, A less than C, A less than D. Ek kaam karo sirs. Look at carefully. Already I know that A is less than B, A is less than C, A is less than D. So can I say A is the shortest link? So I will represent A as, ab A ko kya represent karenge? It is the shortest link. So I will write A as the shortest link. I will write A as shortest link, where S is nothing but A. Okay. When A, this is the shortest link, out of these 3, A is shortest link, wo to ho gaya. Out of the remaining 3, one may be longest. Let us assume this is longest. Then someone said, why B is longest? C can be longest. Why C is longest? D can be longest. Means anything can be longest. So if this is longest, what do I get? If when A is shortest link, B may be longer, C may be longer, D may be longer. So there is a possibility. So if B is longer, you get C plus D. Similarly, S plus. Agar C longer hai, you get B plus D. Agar D longer hai, if D is longer, you get B plus C. What does it mean? When one is shortest, one is longer. When one is shortest, one is longer, let me designate other two links as PQ. So I am designating links as SLPQ. S is the shortest link, L is the longest link. One is shortest, one is longest. Other two may be neither shortest nor longest. I designate it as PQ. PQ are neither shortest nor longest. So we got the condition S plus L less than P plus Q. S plus L less than P plus Q. S plus L less than P plus Q. So you get only one condition. S plus L less than. This is, if this is shortest longest, this is PQ. If this is shortest longest, PQ. This is shortest longest, PQ. So this condition is your Grashoff law. Simply from your mathematics, that is triangle principle, we got this mathematics. From mathematics we got this. So this is known as Grashoff law. So what does Grashoff law say? It says that if one of the links is to rotate, if one link is to rotate completely, if one of the links is to rotate completely, if you want one link to rotate completely, what is the condition? The shortest plus longest should be less than the other two links. So my dear students, I have this. So here in my case, the shortest link is 6 inch and the longest link that I took is 14. Mere figure mein, yes. And P is other two links. P is 10 and Q is it is 12. देखो एक बार, what is this? देखो, this shortest link size is 6 inch and this is the shortest link. A is the shortest link. A is the shortest link and P is the longest link. This is longest link and other is A, B, C, D. So P नहीं रे बाबा, sorry, ये कौन सा है? D, I'm sorry. I took D as the longest link. अब देखो कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई हुआ या नहीं. S plus L, what is S plus L? 6 plus 14. And what is this P plus Q? What is that? 10 plus 12. Oh my God. 6 plus 14 is 20. This is 22. And obviously 20 is less than 22. S plus L is less than P plus Q. That's why when this condition is satisfied, it is known as Grashoff law. What is Grashoff law? If one of the links in a 4-bar chain is to rotate completely, then the sum of shortest and longest should be less than the other two links. अगर ये condition satisfy नहीं हुआ, I'll give you one thing. My dear students, I have one more 4-bar chain. Here, the shortest longest S plus L is not less than P plus Q. Therefore, इसमें क्या हो रहा है? Complete rotation नहीं मिलेगा. Complete rotation नहीं मिलेगा. That is known as non-Grashoff linkage बोलते हैं हम. Now, the beauty here to be noted is, please understand carefully. Please understand. And now, in the next session, I'll be explaining how inversions are obtained from this Grashoff law. How inversions are obtained by fixing different links. And next session, I'll be showing you these models. With these models, in the next session, I'll be showing by fixing different links. This co-reference लेते हुए, with this, I'll be showing you the beautiful analysis of different inversions of 4-bar chain. Thank you. All the best. God bless you.